Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I think this is going to be a really great episode because we just have a whole ton of activity going on here and just lots of things going on. We have a whole team of electricians here. They're putting up the fans, the lights, the heaters, the switches, the plugs, just getting everything done. The stone guys, they came back. They're outside putting the stone veneer on the outside, and they'll come in and put the tile on the inside, getting that one done. I'll be working through my list here, getting all these things knocked out and getting this house one step closer to being done. We had just a whole bunch of stuff going on. Hope I have enough cameras, enough hands, enough time to get everything filmed. I'll do my best, but just lots of stuff going on here. I'm really excited about that, but enough talking, let's go get to work. All right, so it's been the weekend. Let this tile grout dry up here so everything's looking nice. I came with a microfiber cloth early this morning and just kind of went over it one more time, got off all of the little white haze, things like that. But I think it's time to finally go ahead and we'll get the vanity out of the garage, unbox it, get it installed in here so I can get the baseboard on and door trim, and hopefully we can get some tile up on the walls there. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but the part I can do is at least get the vanity in there and I can get the mirror on the wall, things like that. So I think that's what I'm gonna start up for today, is try to get one more thing crossed off the list. All right, so I just put in that vanity. Had to take a little break here, take a little thinking break. I'm not too sure what to do on this vanity here. Original plan was to have it like here and against the wall how it is, but then you can see the pipes under there, they don't line up with the drain, and then with that way, I can't put in the shelf there that goes in there. I think it's a neat little shelf there, but I don't know if it's gonna be a problem that those pipes aren't lined up. So I don't know if I should have it against the wall it is, or if I should move it over 6 inches and just have a little gap against the wall there. So I think I'll move it and take another look at it. And here are with option 2 to consider, and move it over, put that shelf back in there, and it's a cutout for the pipe, and then the pipe and the drain actually line up. But that leaves us with a little gap on the side there, which is about 6 inches. Close these and see how that one looks there. Yeah, I'm not too sure what to do right now. I think I'll think on that one a little bit more. If I want to have it against the wall or space it out a little bit and just have it kind of right in the middle there where it is.
The next day.
Alright guys, well I decided to step inside real quick, just because it's pretty loud out there. As you saw, those guys are getting started on the stone veneer outside. And the day before, they went ahead and put that scratch coat on the outside, which is a little thin layer of concrete, and that just gives the stone something extra to stick to. And it's gonna just stick on there real nice, not gonna fall off. And yeah, looking good there. But before we get started out there, well, we did get started, but the guys over at Wonder Blade, they decided to hook us up with a really nice blade here. They said that sent out to us. Said give it a try, tell us what you think. And this should be just the perfect blade for this job here. So it's made for cutting porcelain, stone, brick, plastic, metal. Probably even cut some wood with it. But I think this just be the perfect blade for this this project here. So we can go ahead, swap out the blade that's on the angle grinder right now, put this one on, and start putting more stone up, and just see what we think about the blade. But just first impressions, looks real nice here. Kind of excited to get that out, give it a try. Yeah, thank you guys at Wonderblade. Looking forward to using this. So let's go out there, try it out, and put some more stone on.
That actually cuts really good, I'm not gonna lie.
You like it?
I do like it. I gotta try a little more, but it cuts really good.
All right, cool.
Yep. Yeah, even shaving, it doesn't nick any of it. So it's pretty good. I like it. I just gotta use it some more and then I'll let you know. Yeah, I like it. So it's good.
And it is the next day here. Those guys made some pretty good progress yesterday. Got almost all the way to the top. So just have to do that last little bit, and then along the top there, and end it on that other corner over there. But that should be pretty quick for them to do. They took the day off, so I think they will be back tomorrow, hopefully. But when they come back, I'll let them do the thing. But I think it's turning out really nice. I think really like how the stone is. Well, look at this stone here. It's just a stone veneer. Yeah, so it's pretty good looking stuff. Each little piece of stone has kind of a different pattern on it, so you don't have a lot of repeating patterns. And you have your corners. Yeah, all looking real good. I'll come back when a little more progress is made on there. But let's go inside for now. And coming back inside here, so the stuff here, the electrician, he came by and he dropped off. These are all of our heaters. They're the cove heaters, so like these long ones, they'll go like up there on the top there, and another one up here where the wire is, kind of things like that. I'll show you that in a little more detail when they're getting put up. How all our switch covers and switches and outlets, all those fun things. And also when he is here, he shows that we actually put the drywall over that switch there, over that box. So had to cut that out, but that's not a big deal. Luckily he found that and realized that. So I got that cut out. That's all fixed up, ready for paint, and looking good there. And coming down the hallway here. One of the last trim things I had to do was this door here, since this is a thicker wall. This is made for a 2x4 wall, but we had to extend the wall out a little bit more to make this room smaller, so the bathtub will fit in there. But I had some wood sticking out, so I put this little strip in here. I just put some baseboard into the table saw and rip that down and put it in there with a nice little gap there. Bring it here, put the door case on the outside, and that looks real nice and clean. Have to come back with some paint and get that painted, and then put the door on and paint that door, and then that will be done. And here back in the bathroom, put some cardboard down so we don't get the floors dirty. Put the baseboard in here. Got the vanity, that one's complete in here. And bring it back around to the master bathroom. Pretty much did the same thing here. Put the vanity in, put the baseboard on. And this one here too is the one where it has a pipe kind of in the middle there. I wasn't sure what to do. So after moving it from one side to the other, kind of decided that both vanities will look good if we just leave a little space on the side there, a little 8-inch space, and move it over. and have a little space there, maybe for a trash can. But and then I think having it a little space on the east side of the wall is gonna look real nice. Just because like the style of this vanity, it'll look real nice there. But anyways, I think that is the progress that's been made for now. Oh, we have one more thing. Let's go to the garage real quick. All right, gonna bring you into our messy garage. The garage is kind of used to storage now, but this morning the wood stove it showed up, so we're real happy we finally got that, so we can get that installed. And since it's a muddy driveway, they only dropped it off way down at the end of the driveway, so I had to get the little hand cart and pull it through the mud and the snow and all the way up here and drop it off here. But it's inside. I'm happy it's here, and pretty soon we'll be able to burn some wood in there and really heat this house up nice. So I think that is it for right now. I have to go back to my list, see what other things I need to get done, and then it'll be time to get back to work. So I took a little time, did some more painting. Came back here again, got this big door painted here, so it looks like just an extra thick wall. But putting that baseboard on there and lining it all up, putting the caulk on there, painting it, I think everything came out real nice. Can't really notice that it's a smaller door for the wall. Yeah, that came out real nice. And the rest of the order came in. So we have both the lights there for the bathrooms, the faucets for the bathrooms, ceiling fans for living room and bedroom. Now we have our bedroom lights down there, and these are our three exterior lights. So those are all there. I saw before the electrician, he came and dropped off all the switches and plugs and covers. So I think they should be coming pretty soon and get that stuff started to be installed. And back out here in the living room, these are the three small windows up there. This is something I've been kind of leaving towards the end because I've just been doing more important stuff. But those three windows, I need to still take off the plastic that's on there and then cut up some window trim that will go around those windows, get that painted. So I think while no one's here right now and I have some free time, I'll get started and hopefully do those windows. All right, well, a little change of plans. As soon as I said I was going to work on those windows up there, get those frames put on, the electricians came and gave them my ladder to use so they can go ahead and put those heaters up there, as you see there. So put those heaters up, and they went ahead and put the ceiling fan up there and the heaters in the other room. So they're using that big ladder, so I was just on the ground doing little things, but I think they're done with that. But the heaters, they're on right now. They're heating. And it's so nice to come in here and have those heaters working instead of that dirty heater right there. So yeah, electric ones are on. Real happy about that. That means I can take that yellow heater out and no more carbon monoxide poisoning for me. So happy about that. But anyways, before these guys get here again this morning, I think I'll start on some little things here, maybe some windowsills, little things like that. I'll see what I can do until they get here, the electricians get here, and I just have to get out of their way. And when they get here, maybe I'll go outside and see how the stone is going up outside. And I think when they're done with that, they might be going into the bathrooms to get the tile done in there. But we'll see how far they get. It's kind of a cold day today, so I hope they can get the stone put up outside. But you know how it goes. Back to work. Yeah, I just want to come back out here to the stone veneer on the outside. Kind of show you the progress they made here yesterday, just before they get here and start making all the noise and stuff and getting in the way. But this whole thing is all complete here, looking really nice. Really like how that came out. They just have that little strip to do along there. They couldn't do that yesterday just because they had to put this stone on and then support that stone with some little screws, just so the stone's not falling down, and that little metal edge along there wasn't strong enough to hold up the stone. So they put that top part on. That's dry now. Now they come back and put that last little strip on there, and then that one should be done. Let's go back into the master bathroom here. See here, they went ahead and got this last wall done there. This one is done. Shower's looking really nice now. Definitely happy with that's coming out. And really nice that there's actually a light in here now that we can use and work with. So just have to come back and do the tile that's going to go around the edges there. Come back and there will be some tile that goes on top of here. And then of course the tile for the floor there. And then get the shower door to go across there. That'll be a glass door. And this one will be done. So they got this. I think next I'll move into the other bathroom and get the tile put up in the shower tub. All right, everyone. Well, I think that's going to do it for this video. We got a whole ton of stuff done this week, as you saw. We got the stone put up on the outside. The tiles up on the back shower here. The electricians came. They got everything lit up, all the fixtures in, the fans in, the heaters on. Feeling really nice in here, and everyone just been working really late today, so it's already dark outside, but you can't tell because, of course, we have the lights on here. That's really nice. And I have the heater above my head here, so keeping me warm. And I really like how this house is turning out now. But and just thanks to everyone working this week so hard. I really appreciate it. And thanks to you guys for watching. Really appreciate all your comments and support. And if you like these kinds of videos, building a house start to finish, then be sure to subscribe, because we have a new video every single weekend. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right back here next weekend on the job site. Thanks.